Okay, so this diagram is basically taken from your book on page 325, and it's an illustration of what happens with calcium. So when we have a dietary intake of 1,000 milligrams, of that 1,000 milligrams of calcium that a person consumes goes into intestinal tract, and 300 milligrams of that is absorbed. Of that, you can lose about 20 milligrams through sweat, and then your kidneys play a role in filtering and reabsorbing calcium depending on what we need. And so over here, we've got skeletal calcium, which is about 500 to 700 milligrams. And if for whatever reason we are not getting enough calcium in our diet, we can potentially reabsorb calcium from the bones to supplement calcium that our body needs in order to function. So it's important ultimately that we get enough calcium in our diet. So later on, we'll do a little bit of diet analysis where are we getting 1,000 milligrams of calcium. So just kind of a quick thing, our body tries to maintain homeostasis in order to maintain those calcium levels, not just for bones, but also for muscle contraction and a variety of other functions.